You know we got them things in the trunk, man.
I know.
Let a nigga not pay us. You know what I mean? Right, Mila? Right, Mila? Yeah! Say 540 on top.
540 on top.
Say 540 on top. X-Tree on top. Big bodies on top. Big body on top.
Have her on the camera like this.
Big body on top. Yeah! Justin getting his works in, man.
Yeah.
That shit in, Justin, man. Putting on that new lip. Yes, sir. The car's mean, y'all. Hope y'all loving the content. Hope y'all loving.
No, I just been having a lot of people like just they didn't want to pay my prices, so it's like okay.
Oh, so they're telling you
I just had a kid hit me up the other day.
my car.
They don't. You have to buy the diamond because then it will go over your.
No, that's what I'm saying. I didn't know that they made it exhausted.
Straight doing anything just to get inside this room, trying to see what we think want to see the way we pop it.
I had to search it up yesterday. $15.75.
The mirror caps, you know, because that's essentials. Just to give it a sporty look when a girl walks up to the car. Oh my God, he has that little thread look on the car. You gotta be fast.
Gloss black and no chrome.
Yeah,
chrome
so this is how. Wait, hold on. The chrome on the sides. That's the only chrome we got. You know what I mean?
Chrome.
We had chrome front grille, but I had to get rid of that.
That.
Yeah, I had to get rid of that.
Ready to care of it.
ASAP. Now with the rear bumper installed, oh my gosh, that's gonna be sick, bro.
It's gonna be clean.
Yeah.
It's gonna be aggressive.
Yeah, cause right now it's like it looks classy, but now it's gonna be real nasty.
We're gonna get Justin there to do the exhaust. It's just gonna be clean as hell.
Hell
Alright, I'm
yeah.
gonna come in.
Hell yeah, bro. The exhaust said it was coming in last week, bro, and still never came in, bro.
Nah, they got that delayed.
Nah, they stole it in.
Hit you with the weather delay, bro.
Oh, they stole that shit at Fort.
They stole it in
They say, hey,
Compton.
yo, I just got an M340. Let me
Get that.
Yeah, they stole it in Compton, bro, cause I ain't seen it since.
Oh, it's in Compton? That's definitely on someone's car right now.
Yeah,
Hell
right.
yeah.
It's on the back of someone's truck just driving.
Yeah, cause a lot of people likes that shit.
I know, bro.
It's the nah, cause it's a family car.
They love that shit. They love it. Oh my God. That shit's gonna look so fucking
See,
clean.
that's the only thing that I don't like.
What? What do you don't like?
It has a gap.
Yeah.
It has a gap. Take it off.
See?
Boom.
Or unless it's supposed to. Like, there's no way I have to bring it in more.
I think it was like
You
that.
see what I'm talking about?
Yeah.
Do you like it or no? You see what I'm talking about, right?
Oh, right here, right?
That little split, I mean...
I don't know if
that
I
should
like
look
it.
mean.
You can make it work.
Because you can't bring it in more. Yeah, it follows the body line. Like this right here is on, hold on, right here is on body line.
Hold on, let me look at it on eBay.
Yo, you just want to roll everywhere. You want to... Oh.
On eBay.
No. No.
I mean, I'm not gonna lie, I kind of dig the split a little bit. It kind of looks...
It's not bad. It is.
Yeah, I think it does have a little...
That doesn't even look like...
It has a split, but when you put it all together, I don't think it's that big. Here, you can check it out.
That looks way different than this one.
That is different than that
This
one.
looks way different. Look, that whole piece right there is different. This.
Yeah, he gave me the wrong one. Nah, it's the same thing.
Nah, that whole piece is different right there. It comes down and swoops down. This one doesn't swoop down like that.
Oh, shit.
You see?
Yeah. Wait, no,
Because you gotta remember, if I go farther that way, this curve won't line up to this curve.
Yeah. That's straight.
You want to rock it?
Yeah.
Alright. Rock it, see how it goes. Worst case scenario, just take it off and get another one.
Yeah.
Honestly.
It looks kind of good, though.
I mean, I think it looks cool. It's different. Maybe it'll just be a different style.
Yeah. It looks aggressive, so I like it. It's real aggressive. Dun, 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 dun. I gotta see it with it on the ground.
Yeah, let's wait till we get it on the ground. Screws drawn in next time.
It looks good though.
Yeah, it does.
It looks like it won't like. I like it because it looks like it won't like lip go crazy.
Our white is because it blends into the sky, so fish can't see them when they look up.
Really? Oh yeah. Yes, sir, guys. She's coming along. Pretty good. That's why I didn't do